Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the lock screen PIN code on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you'll find all the customization options for your device. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. Type Screen Lock into the search bar. Step 3. Next, check the search results, find the screen lock option, and tap on it. Then enter your phone lock password. Step 4. Now locate the PIN option and tap on it. Enter your new PIN to set up your phone lock, then tap Continue. Step 5. For the last and most important step, tap the Use Anyway option, then re-enter the PIN again and tap OK. And just like that, you've changed your lock screen PIN code instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.